this is Mr. V. In this video, we will determine the area of a composite shape by adding simple component shapes. We want to calculate the area of this composite shape. And straight away we can tell that we can't just use a rule to calculate it. In order to solve this one, we're going to break this shape up into smaller shapes that we can solve. In this case, we're going to break it up into two rectangles. Let's call them area 1 and area 2. We like breaking composite shapes up into either rectangles, triangles, or circles. In this case, two rectangles. We then want to calculate the individual areas of those two component shapes. So we're looking at area 1. Area 1 is obviously a rectangle. And to calculate the area of a rectangle, we use length by width. The length of this rectangle is 10, the width is 5. So we're going to substitute those in. 10 times 5, which is 50 square meters. We're then going to do the same for this second area. Now the second area is obviously also a rectangle, so we can use the same rule. Its measurements are 4 by 3, and 4 times 3 is 12 square meters. Our last step is to then add these two component areas. So the total area is going to be 50, which is area 1, plus 12, which is area 2. And 50 plus 12 is 62 square meters. And that's the area of the composite shape. Fantastic.